subscribe, you can share, so that you can be following all the online classes. You can follow, you can share, you can like, you can comment, and so forth and so forth and so forth. So we are dealing with Unit 1. I'm going to deal with Unit 1. Unit 1 in Book 4. This is just for the new. So this is Unit 1, Book 4, which deals with matrices. Matrices and transformation. So units of matrices and transformation. And in our last classes we have seen what is a matrix. They derived from the word matrix, and we have the transformation, which we have said transformation is change in size, change in shape, and change in position. So change in size, change in shape, change in position. So just for the new people in this, for the new students, we have examples of transformation. Number 1, we have said that transformation is change in size, change in position, and change in shape. Change in size, change in position, and change in shape. It is just a change. So it is just a change. Change, badiliko, change. So examples of transformation. 1. For an object to be transformed, it must have gone through these four. It must have gone through these four processes that I am going to name. Number 1, it must have gone through rotation. It must have gone through rotation. So when it rotates, rotation. So if an image undergoes rotation, we are saying that it has undergone transformation. So if this was my square, for example, if this was my square, that way, if this was my square, name this point A, B, C, and D. Then it undergoes a rotation of a certain angle, because rotation it deals with angles. Rotation deals with angles. We deal with angles from either origin. So it has rotated to an angle of 10 degrees or 15 degrees or 20 degrees or up to 360 degrees, because that one will have undergone. So if now it undergoes, let's say at 20 or 30 degrees, then it will be something that looks like this, Yes, this is just a rotation, like this, and this way, and this way. So this one, after it has undergone here, so that would be my B. Yes, that would be my B. My B has come here, my C here, my this one imekuja hapa, hii ikakuja hapa, so my D here and my A here. So this is my A prime, this is my A prime, B prime, C prime, and D prime. After it has undergone a certain rotation, a certain angle of rotation, so it will get that. So number two, example 2 of a transformation is reflection. This is reflection. reflection. We have dealt with this one using a mirror. And when you view your face using a mirror, then your face undergoes reflection. So number 3, this is very simple. If an object is here, this is my image, this is my object. Then after it has undergone reflection, then I get the same image on this other side. This is A, B, C. So this is my A prime, B prime, and C prime. It will undergo reflection. It will undergo reflection using this mirror. Number 3, we have enlargement. Number 4, we have what we call translation. So translation, this one will mean translation is to mean that if this was my rectangle, then it has undergone a translation. There is the invariant line. We are dealing with the invariant line, which will not change. These other lines will change, but this one will not change. So my invariant will be A, B, C, D. If this is my rectangle, just a sketch. So this one will be the invariant. So this one, it can either be this way, This is the invariant line. This one will be my A prime, B prime. Then we have my C prime, and then D prime. This is simply a translation. This is simply what we mean by translation. So that is simply what we mean by matrices and transformation. So all through this topic of matrices and transformation, we will be dealing with these four. These are the major that we are going to deal with in this topic of matrices and transformation, unit 1, in form 4. So we look at this number 1, rotation. I am going to deal with number 1, rotation. It's what I am going to deal with. I am going to deal with rotation as my number 1. So before we proceed, you can remember to subscribe. You can remember to like, comment, and also share. And then you will be able to progress and proceed well. And also you will be able to follow all the online classes.